Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Adam Luqman bin Azlan. I am semester 1 student from the DEC 1B. Well, today I will talk about this month's theme of public speaking, which is one thing I would like to experience at least once in my life. I always thinking about one thing that I would like to experience, but it is such many things. So, I choose one thing that looks like it's a big dream for me to experience it, which is attending an event called UNGA. Maybe some of you don't have an idea about UNGA, so let me explain it. The United Nations General Assembly, or we call UNGA, is the main policy-making organ of the organization. Comprising all member states, it provides a unique forum for multilateral discussions of the full spectrum of international issues covered by the Charter of the United Nations. Each of the 193 member states of the United Nations has an equal vote, including our country, Malaysia. The UNGA also makes key decisions for the United Nations, including, first, appointing the Secretary General on the recommendation of the Security Council, second, electing the non-permanent members of the Security Council, third, approving the United Nations budget. The Assembly meets in regular sessions from September to December each year and thereafter as required. It discusses specific issues through dedicated agenda items or sub-items, which lead to the adoption of resolutions. For this year, the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly will open on Tuesday, 14 September 2021. The first day of the high-level general debate will be Tuesday, 21 September 2021. So, why I would like to experience this thing at least once in my life? When I was in the secondary school, which is MRSM, we have this kind of event which is called UNGA. This event is organized by English students, and each class will represent one country in this event. Each class needs to show a cultural performance of their country, and in the end, we will have a general debate, which is I represent my class in this session. From that, I would like to feel the heat of the real general debate in UNGA and represent our delegation to meet and greet another great leader from the other members of the United Nations. It is not easy to experience this thing, so it will be such an honor if I represent our country in such a big event that is held once a year. Normally, this event will be held at United Nations headquarters, which is located in New York City, New York. But since the COVID-19 pandemic cannot allow us to fly to another country, this event has been held virtually since the 75th session of the UNGA, which is last year, 2020. Let us together hope that we can accept that COVID-19 is an endemic season as soon as possible, so we can live in the new norm and we can fly to another country. It will not be safe if I virtually experience this event. That's all from me. Together we celebrate the extraordinary. Thank you. Till we meet again.